And we're going to head elsewhere in Asia, over to Japan, where change does appear to be in the air, at least politically. Campaigning has kicked off for the lower house parliamentary elections that will be held later this month, creating a lot of buzz and an impact on the yen. Courtney?
Well, one of the things is the opinion polls. It's showing that the opposition party, which is called the Democratic Party of Japan, is likely to gain control of parliament this coming August 30th. And it would be the DPJ's first shot at power since the 1950s. Well, that's except for a brief 10-month stint during the early 90s. But this would mark a big shift for Japanese politics, and it could also signal a big change for the Japanese currency. Well, strategists from Credit Suisse to Callion, they say a new DPJ administration may lead to a stronger yen. So why is that? Well, the DPJ is pledging massive fiscal stimulus to jumpstart growth for the world's #2 economy. Well, strategists say that spending will lift Japanese bond yields, which in turn will lift the yen. So if the stimulus works, growth could lead to higher interest rates, and that's another bullish factor for the yen. So begs the question, will the new government be supportive of a strong yen? Well, strategists say that's unclear. Remember, the current administration has spoken out against a strengthening yen. The central bank has even intervened, selling its currency to weaken it in order to drum up demand for Japan's exports, and that's a key driver for the economy. Goldman Global Markets economist Fiona Lake says rhetoric is unlikely to change too much in the new regime. So bottom line here, the yen could get a lift going into the election and even after, but some strategists are saying don't expect the strength to last too long. Margaret.
All right, Courtney, we'll be following those election results right here on Bloomberg News. For right now, though, you can log on to Bloomberg.com and get the latest currency numbers and stories on our website. Again, that's Bloomberg.com.